Hello, hi, namaskar to all my CA aspirants who wants to be the CA achievers. What I believe the effect of teaching should be in such a way that it should touch the heart of the students. I repeat, the effect of teaching should be in such a way that it should touch the heart of the students. That is what I usually believe in my teaching career. Having almost 25 years of teaching experience, my dear kids, as we have already completed the 21 problems in BRS, right? See how many problems I'm solving, you people. Just you go through it, like the videos, share with your friends. I'm solving problem of CA foundation since from 2005-6 question paper till today of 25 May batch. Okay. Now, my dear kids, this question was given in where it is from CA manual material, illustration 8. Page number may differs because from one year to another year, the number of pages may will increase. See here, the cash book of Gadbadwala. Oh, what a super name, right? The cash book of what? Gadbadwala showed 8,36,400 as a balance at bank. My dear kids, it is which book? Cash book. Cash book shows what? Balance. Balance means what? Receipt. It does not agree with the passbook balance. On scrutiny, you find the following. See, there are so many points in the problem A, B, C, like that up to G point we have. What we are supposed to do, my dear kids? Prepare bank reconciliation statement after preparing the amended cash book. So, what we have to prepare? We have to prepare two things. One, that is amended cash book. That is nothing but adjusted cash book. What it is called? Adjusted cash book. What we used to get in the receipt side, debit side, we used to have a receipts with amount. On the credit side, payments with an amount. Like that. After that, we have to prepare bank reconciliation statement as on 31st December 2019. We need to have a debit, credit here, particulars. Fine. Shall we start our real solution, my dear kids? See, cash book showed a balance. Now, you know very well, this is cash book, debit, receipt, credit, payment. Here, debit, payment, credit, receipt. Right? See, my dear kids, when you people are doing problem with ACB, called what? ACB. What and all the entries are to be recorded in ACB? Entries which are not recorded in cash book, mistakes which are committed in cash book is to be recorded in ACB. Entries which are not recorded in passbook, mistakes committed in passbook, sometimes entries recorded in passbook on the wrong side also, that is called mistake, that are to be treated in what? BRS. Am I right? Fine. Shall we move on to the solution, my dear kids? See what actually we have to do right now. Let me read the problem first. See, we have a cash book of Gadbadwala shows a balance. See here we have a cash book. Cash book में क्या है? Balance है. Balance means what? Receipt. That balance comes where? Debit side. So we have to take in adjusted cash book to balance brought down. What balance it is? Debit balance. Of which book? Cash book. How much it is showing? 8,36,400. Am I right? See the next one. On 15th December 2019, payment side. कौन सा side है? Payment side means payment of the cash book was under cost. Under cast, it is not under cast, it is under cost. When the payment side is under cost, we have to take it in same side. Where we have to take? We have to take it in same side. Moreover, payment side of what book? Cash book. When the mistake is committed in cash book, it comes in where? It comes in ACB. Payment side of cash book under cost. When payment side of cash book is under cost, we have to record in same side. The same side means payment side only. That is on the credit side only. Where is it comes in ACB or BRS? It is to be entered in ACB called adjusted cash book, amended cash book, because the mistakes are committed in cash book. Where we have to record on the payment side. Let us write by under cost in cash book. What side? Payment side. With an amount of how much, my dear children? With an amount of rupees, it is 10,000, right? Let me write it 10,000 on the credit side. Fine. See the next one. What happened here? A check for rupees 1,31,000 issue. Issued means what? Payment. On 25th December 19, within the financial year, this particular period. Not taken in the bank column. Not taken in the bank column. Bank column comes, is it in cash book or passbook? We know very well. In passbook, there is no such cash or bank column. The bank column is there only in the cash book. So it means not taken in the bank column means no payment in cash book. When no payment in cash book, it comes in ACB. What side we have to take? We have to take it in payment side only. So in ACB, we have to write what? We have to write checks issued, not recorded in payment side of cash book, bank column of the cash book. It is how much? 1,31,000. See, is it correct or not? Yes, it is of 1,31,000. I hope you people are understanding, right? Let me move on to the next concept, my dear kids. One deposit. What actually they have given? One deposit. Deposit means what? A receipt. Was recorded in the cash book. Oh, cash book mein record hua, entry hua. As if there is a no bank column. See how much confusion that a question paper is creating. Usually the student will understand that entered in cash book. Oh, cash book mein hua. So take it in BRS because not recorded in passbook. No, that is not the case, my dear kids. Recorded in cash book mein entry hua as if there is a no bank column. What do you mean by as if there is a no bank column? Not recorded in cash book. What is not recorded? Deposit. What is not recorded? A deposit is not recorded. I repeat, what is not recorded? The deposit is not recorded. Means what? We can write no receipt in cash book. Means it comes where? It comes in ACB. किधर लेना? कौन सा साइड लेना? Same receipt side ही लेना. So deposit, where we have to write in the debit side. So let us write two deposits. If you want, you can write not recorded in cash book. How much it is? 1,50,000. Deposit from customer. You can write also. Deposit from customer also you can write. Next. On 18th December 2019 means within the period. Debit balance. कौन सा balance है? Debit balance. 15,260 as on the previous day. What day it is? Previous day. Debit balance what? On the previous day. Brought forward as a credit balance. Where it is being taken? Credit balance. So, debit side में लेना था. See here. Debit side में लेना था. कितना amount? 15,260 debit side में लेना था. It is supposed to be entered in debit side. But where they have entered? They have entered on the credit side. So debit side में entry नहीं हुआ, not entered in the debit side, but recorded on the credit side with an amount of rupees, how much? 15,260 rupees. Now the question is, they didn't mention in which book. Obviously, the things are happened in the cash book only, because in passbook, the committing of errors, the mistakes are very less in a bank statement. But usually cashier may commit a mistake, more mistake when compared to the entries in the passbook. So in which book? It is in cash book. In which book? It is in cash book. Now instead of debit, please listen Makla, instead of debit, it's a very confusion point, it's a very tough point. Even you can put a danger symbol also for this particular point. You can put a danger symbol for this particular point. Instead of debit, what he has done? He has taken on the credit side. Now what we have to do? We have to take it in debit side with how much amount? With how many amounts? With double amount we have to take. How much amount we have to take? Double amount, because debit side में नहीं लिया, credit side लिया. So in order to cancel that credit entry, debit side you have to record 30,520 rupees. किधर लेना? Where we have to record? We have to take it on the debit side. In where? In cash book. That is ACB. What side? Debit side. To what? Wrong carry forward on the credit side. With how much amount? 15,260 plus 15,260. It comes to 30,520. Did you understood? Instead of debit, he has taken on the credit side. Where? In cash book only. When it recorded in cash book, when it is being taken in the cash book, when it is being taken in the cash book, what we have to do? We have to take it in ACB. With how much amount? With double amount. Did you understood? I hope so. Next, what happened here? I have some throat infection today. See here what happened. Of the total checks amounting to 11,514 drawn means what? Issue. Issued means what? Payment. In the first week of December 19, checks aggregating 7,815 were encashed. Encash हुआ कब? In December. Out of 11,514, 7,815 encash हुआ. Remaining is what? Take the calci. 11,514 minus 7,815. Balance कितना हुआ अब? The balance amount comes to rupees. How much it is? The balance amount comes to rupees 3,699 rupees. What? Not encashed in December. Where? In passbook. Not encashed in December in passbook means no payment in passbook. When no payment in passbook, it comes in BRS. What side? No payment in passbook. So come back. Passbook, debit side payment, credit side receipt. No payment in passbook means no debit in passbook. So where we have to take? The debit side only. After leaving around 5 lines, 4 to 5 lines, you write which point it is, my dear kids. I think it is a point number E, right? After leaving 4 lines, you write what? Checks issued, not issued means drawn. Checks issued or drawn, not encashed fully. Not encashed fully means no payment in which book? Passbook. How much amount we have to take? We have to take the difference amount. What is the difference amount? 7,815 minus 3000, how much is encashed? I repeat, how much amount is there in the problem? Let me see once. It is of how much? 11,514. How much is encashed? The encashed amount is 7,815. Subtract it, we are getting 3,699 dash. I hope, my dear children, you got it. See what happened to the next transaction. Dividend 25,000 collected by the bank. Collected by the bank means a receipt. Subscriptions of 1,000 paid, paid means payment, were not recorded in cash book. So receipt, no receipt in cash book because not recorded in cash book. Payment, no payment in cash book, means not recorded in cash book. Then where we have to take out? Since it is not recorded in cash book, the payment is also not recorded in cash book, it comes in ACB. Where we have to take? We have to take it on receipt side first. What is that? Receipt side. To dividend collected. How much, my dear kids? It is of rupees 25,000. Then one more concept is there, that is subscriptions paid, where we have to take payment side. How much subscriptions paid? It is of rupees 1,000. I hope you people are understanding, right? See the next concept, my dear kids. Let us move hurry. One outgoing check. What do you mean by one outgoing check? It is nothing but a payment. 3,50,000 was recorded twice in the cash book. One outgoing means payment. Recorded twice in cash book means overpayment in cash book. Overpayment in cash book means we have to take it in opposite side. Where we have to take? Take it in opposite side. Opposite side means where I should take a receipt side. Since the mistake is happened in which book? Cash book. When the mistake is happened in cash book, we have to take it in ACB. Where we have to take a receipt side, right? That is 2. Over payment in cash book. How much it is? It is an amount of rupees 3.5 lakh. See what happened? Prepare a bank reconciliation statement after preparing the amended cash book file. Now the amended cash book is also ready. This BRS is also ready. Now we have to close and find out how much total we are getting. See, what about the total that we are getting? Use the calci. Work out the total of debit. The total of debit comes to 13 lakh 91,920. 13 lakh 91,920. Here credit side we have to write by balance carry down, subtract करो कितना आता अब? It comes to 12 lakh 49,920. So that is to be brought down as to balance brought down 12 lakh 49,920. Kidhar hai? Debit side hai. So where you left the space na, here we have to write ACB debit balance as per cash book 12,49,920 dash. Now you work out the total. The total comes to 12,53,619. Either nothing. What is the difference? The same difference 12,53,619 किधर कम है? क्रेडिट साइड में कम है. क्या लिखना अब? क्रेडिट बैलेंस as per started with cash book, end with passbook. I hope, my dear kids, you understood in better way, right? Please like the video, subscribe it, share it with your friends, whoever in need of these videos. Make the maximum utilization of it. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.